Energy is the capacity to do the work. We have learned this definition in our class 9, right? The various energy forms are heat energy, nuclear energy, wind energy, solar energy, chemical energy. We all know that heat energy comes from all the hot bodies. Nuclear energy comes from the nuclear reactors. Wind energy comes from the winds. Solar energy comes from the sun, and chemical energy comes from the chemical reactions which occur in our daily life. Now we shall see the main topic, that is sources of energy. These sources of energy has been classified into two types, exhaustible and inexhaustible. This classification already we have discussed in class 8. I hope you people remember it. Exhaustible means it is non-renewable. That means once the resources get exhausted, it will take millions of years to get back that same resource. So what are the examples? Coal, petroleum, natural gas, these are all the exhaustible resources. For example, if we are using coal every day in our daily routine, petrol, if lot of consumption is done by human beings, what will happen? One fine day we will be lacking up with the coal, petroleum and natural gas. So we have to use these exhaustible resources in a judicious way. Okay, you have to use it properly. The second category of resources are inexhaustible resources. That means renewable. We will be getting it from our natural source. We are seeing the solar energy which is coming from the sun, the wind energy which is coming from the wind. These are all the natural resources which are given by our God. So these can be replenishable very soon. So the sources of energy are classified into two types. What are those? Exhaustible and inexhaustible. Exhaustible means non-renewable. Example, you can write coal, petroleum, natural gas, all these things you can write. It's up to you. Next, inexhaustible means the definition is these are known as renewable resources. Example, wind, solar energy, tidal energy, all these things you can write. Now, there is one more classification for the sources of energy. That is conventional. That means the traditional sources of energy which we have been using it since many years. That is from coal and petrol. We have been using this, the traditional sources. These are called as conventional sources. So, from 60 or 70 years back, we have been using this coal and petroleum in our daily life. The other type of energy is non-conventional. That means alternative source of energy. Recently, we are getting used to the solar energy and wind energy. So nowadays, all the cities, the cosmopolitan cities, they are getting used to this solar panels and wind panels. Okay.